Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. And today we're answering a question we've been getting a lot lately, and that is private flood insurance legitimate? Is it real? You know, when a claim happens, am I going to be stuck? Those are some questions we're going to answer for you in today's video. So, today we're answering the question, is private flood insurance legitimate? So, private flood insurance has been around now, really probably about 20, 30 years. And it's becoming very popular, especially with all the changes with the National Flood Insurance Program. You know, limits on coverage, the changes to the new program to Risk Rating 2.0, where in some areas rates are significantly going up. You know, we hear people say, you know, I want a FEMA-backed policy because I don't trust private flood insurance. You know, in many situations, we've actually seen it where private flood insurance claims actually pay out better and they pay out quicker than the National Flood Insurance Program. And one reason is there's not a lot of red tape to go through with private compared to the National Flood Insurance Program. You know, rates can be significantly less, and sometimes that throws up a red flag for people. They're thinking that it's too good to be true. And that's not necessarily the case. You see, private flood insurance look at risk differently than the National Flood Insurance Program. They have these things called flood risk scores. But private flood insurance is definitely legitimate. It's been around for the last 20 to 30 years. The FDIC a couple years ago even endorsed accepting private flood insurance on all loan types. They're even trying to push FHA to accept it, who currently does not accept private flood insurance, but most other loan types do. As long as they meet that clause or they mirror a lot of the different things with the National Flood Insurance Program. So if you've got questions whether your flood insurance policy that you have through a private company is legitimate or not, should you keep it? You know, is there a better option out there? How do you reduce your property from flooding? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risk like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.